Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this really easy, colorful ombre nail stamp design. So I'm going to use white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, blue by Everglaze, which is China Glaze, called Current Crush, pink by Creative Play called Very Shocking, and yellow by Wet n Wild. Doesn't have a name, it's just yellow. So I've already painted my nails with white polish, and I'm going to put a liquid latex around my nails for easier cleanup. I get this on Amazon. It's really inexpensive, and I love using it. Once I was done, I'm going to use my Born Pretty BP 132 nail plate. I love this plate. It's a round plate. Has so many cool abstract designs, and I decided to do an ombre because it's really easy and simple, and I wanted it to be really colorful. So I'm using nail polish. Do it very quickly though, because the polish sometimes dries faster than regular stamping polish, so try to do it very quickly. And as you can see, I just blended the colors together. I picked it up with my stamper and I just applied it on my nails. And once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy design. You can do it with any nail plates you want and any color combos you want. I just love how this came out. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.